Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Vicky Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet made two colored tea coaster. It starts from the center and two rounds of each color we have made. Total 16 petals we have made. Now let's start. We've taken yarn of 4 ply and crochet of 3 mm. We'll take yarn over our front finger and we'll hold tightly with thumb and mid finger. First we'll make a slip knot. Then 5 chains we'll make to form a small ring. 5 chains we have made. Now we'll attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. Thus a very small ring has been formed. Now we are going to make our first round. 3 chains we'll make and then we'll make 15 double crochets in the ring itself. Total 16 petals are required. So total 16 double crochets will be there including 3 chains. So let's complete our 16 double crochets in the ring. First round we have completed with 16 double crochets in the ring. Now we'll attach with the uppermost chain with the help of slip stitch. Now we are going to make our second round of light color. 3 chains we'll make. Now we'll make one double crochet but will not complete it. Second double crochet, again incomplete double crochet. Now we'll complete at the last. One chain in between two double crochets. One chain we'll make, again we'll make in the next gap one incomplete double crochet, second incomplete double crochet and third incomplete double crochet, and let's complete that. One chain, again in the gap between two double crochets we'll make 3 incomplete double crochets. Now one chain. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this whole round. 3 incomplete double crochets in the gap between the two double crochets and one chain in between the two cluster of 3 double crochets. We have completed our second round. Let's attach with the uppermost chain with the help of slip stitch. We'll also attach our next color. The color, of course, you can take of your own choice. In this round, we have to make half double crochets. So in the starting, we'll make only 2 chains. Two chains we'll make, then we'll make half double crochet in the next pocket. One half double crochet, three chains. Three chains we'll make, and then we'll again make half double crochet in the same pocket. This is one petal. Again one half double crochet in next pocket. 3 chains and one half double crochet. In this way we'll make 16 petals like this. We have not increased any stitch anywhere. Following this pattern, let's complete this round. We have completed our third round also. One half double crochet was remained, so let's complete that, and 3 chains will attach with slip stitch. Now we are going to make our final fourth round. We'll cut the extra thread and we'll tag this thread neatly after making this. Then in the first petal, in the first gap, first we'll make one single crochet stitch. One half double crochet. One double crochet. 3 chains we'll make and we'll attach with the first chain with slip stitch. Again we'll reverse one double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet. This is our first final petal. It looks really very beautiful. Then we move to the next petal, one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, 3 chains, slip stitch, one double crochet, one half double crochet, and finally one single crochet in the same gap. This is our second petal. Like this, we'll make all the petals, all the 16 petals like this. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. But please don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. Now let's complete this round. Let's complete our whole petals like the two ones we had made recently. See, we have made all the petals and we have made our final round. It looks really very beautiful. Now we'll have to attach, but we'll not simply detach it. We'll attach with the help of needle. It gives ultra beauty to the chain, outer chain of the project. The shape of the petals is very nice. I'm eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.